Today we're reviewing the Rain-X WeatherBeater Wiper Blades. We just installed them on our 2016 Toyota Camry and we'll share our thoughts on performance, installation, and overall value. Let's start with the installation. It was surprisingly easy. The blades come with clear instructions and the process took us only a few minutes per blade. Whether you're experienced with car maintenance or new to it, you shouldn't have any trouble getting these on. Right after installing, we noticed the build quality. The blades feel sturdy and the rubber edge looks durable enough to handle different weather conditions, whether it's rain, sleet, or snow. We've used these wipers in our other vehicles over the years in light to heavy rain conditions, and the wipers performed great. No streaks, no annoying squeaks, just a smooth, clear wipe every time. That's something we appreciate, especially when driving at night. One thing we like is that these blades are designed to match or even exceed OEM quality standards. They contour well to the windshield, ensuring consistent contact and better visibility in all conditions. The product claims to offer solid durability. From our experience with Rain-X products in the past, we're expecting them to last through multiple seasons. Overall, we're happy with these Rain-X WeatherBeater Wiper Blades. They're affordable, easy to install, and deliver clear performance in wet conditions. If you're looking for replacement wipers that won't break the bank but still get the job done, we recommend giving these a try.